Hello friends, so today I will tell you how to enter into Play Store. But before that, I have an announcement that the unlock video is coming at 6 p.m. today. You can see on my channel there is a video, and you can subscribe my channel to get the notification, and also you can click on this video and you can also set reminder to get the notification. So get ready at 6 p.m. I will upload this video. And now today I will tell you how to enter into Play Store. So to Play Store you need any app in which there is a keyboard. Like most of the apps has keyboard in it, like whenever keyboard opens, like mobile hotspot, calendar, Byjus premium, Zoom, browser, Gmail, YouTube, Drive, keep notes, Oxford dictionary. Like in most of the apps there is a keyboard, and whenever you find keyboard you can open the Play Store as well. Like to show you, I will open the dictionary, Oxford dictionary, and in this there is a search option, and after search option the keyboard will open up, and in there is a keyboard, there is a option like settings. You can click settings, and after clicking settings click rate us, last option, and after this, are you enjoying Gboard? Yes, and then rate on Play Store. Now your Play Store has opened. Now you can download any app or whatever is the usage, and I will tell you how the unlocking process through the Play Store also. So now this was the first way to enter into Play Store. Now the second way is open YouTube, and in YouTube you can find search option. In search option again the keyboard has been opened, but before that I will also tell you that to open the keyboard, to open Play Store, you can also click like BYJU'S IAS or whatever app whichever is popular. Like you can also find this, there is an option like download, BYJU'S app download. After clicking download, like this pop-up will open up, and you have to just click more info. Now the Play Store has opened up. Now you can from here you can also enter into Play Store. Now third option will be you have to open any browser whichever is there in your tablet. Like I am opening this internet, and in here you have to search like any popular app whichever is there, and like I am searching Byjus, and after searching Byjus it will show recommendations to download. Like here you can see that Byjus learning app. You can click install. After clicking install like a pop-up will open up, and in pop-up you have to click more information. After clicking more info, again the Play Store has been opened up, and from here you can download any application whichever you want. So these are the three ways to enter into Play Store. And to unlock the video I need you to open this Play Store. So unlock video is coming at 6 p.m. today. See you on the other side. Thank you.